Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. It's another video and this is part of our Learn HTML the Right Way series, and this time around we'll be talking about semantics in HTML. In our last video we discussed how you can format your text in HTML. But it doesn't end there. There are some time, in fact, in this sophisticated era we are now, where when you want the search engine to understand what exactly is going on your page, on your web page, so you need to get a way to communicate clearly. So here comes in semantics, semantic elements in HTML. So they give you a way for you to clearly describe the meaning of your page, the meaning of each section, the meaning of each element on your page. So let's see something here. So in this paragraph text we wrote the other time in our previous video, so you notice if we use bold, that is B, if we use B tag, it's going to give us the same result. Go back to our browser. So it's going to give us the same result. You can see we have the same result here. So, but this is not communicating clearly because it's just formatting. So what if we want to tell SEO, that is search engine, what if we want to tell search engine that this element is very important? So instead of using bold tag, you just have to use a semantic tag which is strong, so which will do both for us. It's going to make it bold as well, tell search engine that this element is very, very important. So this is not the only semantic tag we have. For instance, let's say I have a bunch of article. Now let's see, this section now is just all text. So I need to find a way to tell search engine that this section is a text. This is just an article. So let's cut it out. Let me open it and have article. So then just put it like that. So it's going to get it out as an article. So when search engine enters this page, it will just see it as an article. So what if I want to have various section? I can have section, so let's say this is another section on my page. So I can have a place, maybe this is header, this is an header, or this is a footer part of my page. I can have footer, so footer. So everything inside here, once search engine enters this page, is going to know that, oh, this section is a footer. Then if a place is just, if a part of my page is a navigation area, I can say nav. So I just have it like this, maybe home page or whichever, home, about, and all of those things like that. So that is that about semantics. Take home here is that semantic element give you access to clearly describe the meaning of each element on your page or the meaning of each section. Having anything that is unclear to you, just shoot in a comment, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.